Today, let's draw a yummy pudding with a shiny cherry on top. Draw the pudding shape with caramel on top, and add a cherry with a leaf at the very top. Color the cherry red with a highlight, then paint the leaf green with a darker center line. First, color the caramel dark brown. Then fill the pudding base with light yellow. Add shading on the edges, and finish with a light brown shadow under the pudding. All done! Here's our cherry pudding. Doesn't it look sweet and delicious? Desserts remind us, warm moments make life sweeter.